Hi, it's Mary, a traditional Chinese medicine tutor and acupuncturist in Canada. Today's video will use Yin-Yang theory to explain physiological functions of human body. After learning this theory, we can understand why, in certain contexts, the Zang organ's Yang Qi is referred to as the Zang organ's function. When the various Zang organs' functions can be summarized and abstracted to the physiological level of Yin-Yang, Chinese medicine's diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of disease can be all connected together in an integrated big picture by the Yin-Yang theory.
What are the physiological functions of the human body in TCM?
The physiological function in Chinese medicine is the reflection of the integrity and harmony of its internal morphological structure and the embodiment of normal functions of the viscera, meridians, essence, qi, blood, and the body fluid. The human physiological function involves every aspect of human life, such as digestion, respiration, blood circulation, water metabolism, growth and development, reproduction, sensation and motion, consciousness and thoughts. The theory of Yin-Yang holds that inside the human body, in any Zang organs and tissues, there are two opposite parts, Yin and Yang, coexisting at the same time. The human life activities is the outcome of keeping coordinations of the opposite Yin and Yang. The human body's normal life activity results from the two aspects of Yin and Yang maintaining a harmonious relationship of opposites and unity, so that the Yin and Yang are in a state of dynamic balance.
Use Yin-Yang theory to explain the relationship between substance and function.
The main application of Yin-Yang theory in physiology are used to explain the relationship between the substances and the function, and to explain the basic movement forms of human life activities. We already know that the function part is the Yang part. The supporting physical substance parts belongs to the Yin part. Depending on the angle, like the related structures, the function can be different. In a broad sense, if we talk about our human body as a whole, the physiological function refers to all human activities such as eating, breathing, moving, thinking, doing your job, etc. These physiological functions are actually the Sen in broad sense. Sen refers to the life activity. The Sen is everything, not just about the spirit, but about the basic movement of life function as well. In other words, if the physical body is the structure belonging to Yin, then the Sen or the life activity is the function belong to Yang. The body and the Sen, they has to follow the rules of Yin-Yang, which is the body and the Sen, or the body and the life activity, they has to rely on each other. Without the body, there's no Sen. Without the Sen, there's no body. That's the relation of them. In terms of the viscera and the tissues and the functional activities, the viscera, the Zang organs and the tissues, they belong to the Yin because they are body substances, and the function belong to Yang. The physical organ and the physical function, they rely on each other and generate each other. For example, in our Zang organ theory, different organs has a different function. Like the lung has the function mainly in charge of the breathing, mainly in charge of whole body's qi. The function and the physical organ has connections. If one part has been damaged, the another part will be affected. Based on this concept that Yang Qi pertains to the Zang organ's functional activities, when a Zang organ in a hypofunction, we can say that this Zang organ's Yang Qi is insufficient. With the same logic, if a Zang organ's function is hyper, we can say that this Zang organ's Yang Qi is in excess. For example, if the spring's function in producing qi and blood is weak, we can say that the spring's Yang Qi is insufficient. Therefore, we can look for medicines or strengthening acupuncture techniques to supplement the spring's Yang Qi to improve its function. Using the Yang Qi to substitute the individual's Zang organ's function links every aspect of Chinese medicine, from disease, diagnosis, treatment, and prevention to form a systematic integral whole. In terms of nutrients and functional activities, nutrients pertains to Yin and the functional activities pertains to Yang. Here, nutrients refers to the vital body substances, which are qi, essence, blood, and the body fluid. The nutrients which can be created and transformed by the stomach and the spring's function is the required substance to support the work of all the Zang organs. So you can think about the Zang organ as a machine. They need the input of the material in order to produce a new round of material. They need the supply of the nutritive stuff, which is the qi, blood, body fluid, and essence. With the support of those substances, the Zang organs can function well, and then the new body substances, qi, blood, essence, and the body fluid can be produced. This is also the yin-yang. The Zang organ's function is the yang, and the material base is the yin. They also rely on each other and generate each other, support each other. If the spleen and the stomach has a problem, this kind of a transformation would be affected. Then there's an impossible to have enough nutrition being produced by the body. In this way, when not enough nutrition is being produced, the function of the stomach and the spleen will be affected as well.
Use Yin-Yang theory to explain the basic movement forms of life activities.
Human life is in constant movement. With no exception, everyone experiences the life process of being born, growing, prime, aging, and decreased. TCM uses the movement and transformation of Yin Qi and Yang Qi to explain the ongoing life movement. Generally speaking, there are 4 types of qi movement: ascending, descending, exiting, and entering. Yang governs the ascending and exiting, and Yin governs descending and entering. Taking breath as an example, breathing is an important life activity. Exhaling is the process of yang waxing and yin waning, while inhaling is the process of yin waxing and yang waning. When you exhale to the extreme, it begins to transform into inhalation. When you inhale to the extreme, it begins to transform into exhalation. The movement of inhaling and exhaling is the cycle of yin and yang's wax and wane and mutual transformation. However, inside yin-yang there's yin-yang, inside yin there's a yang, and inside yang there's a yin. Even the yang dominates ascending, the yin inside the yang dominates descending, such as the Lang Qi. Even the yin dominates the descending, the yang inside the yin will dominate the ascending, such as the liver qi. Life and death is no more than the qi ascending, descending, exiting, and entering. Take the Zang organ's qi movement as an example. Zang organ's qi is in a circular movement. The heart and the lung are on the upper part of the body, so the heart qi and the lung qi should go down. The liver and the kidney located in the lower part of the body, so liver qi and the kidney qi should go up. The spleen and the stomach located in the middle of the part. The spleen qi should go up and the stomach qi should go down. They are the pivot of the qi ascending and descending movement. The ups and downs of the 5 Zang organs qi are mutually beneficial and restrict each other, maintaining the overall coordination of ups and downs of the human body's qi. If yin and yang do not depend on but separate from each other, the ascending, descending, exiting, and entering qi movement will stop. Accordingly, the human life activity will end. If you find this video is helpful, please give me a like, subscribe to it, and share it with others. See you in my next video. All the best!